announcing our first group digital class. It will be on Ridelines, January the 11th. We have 2 different times, and this is Eastern time, so check your time zone for where you are in the world. But I have 2 times scheduled, 12:30 Eastern time and 4 p.m. Eastern time. Hopefully anywhere from Europe to Australia, you'll be able to fit in one of those times. Only 4 per class, and this will be hands-on. You're going to need your camera set up where I can see and the others in the class can see what you're doing. Good lighting, good location, so use your laptop or your tablet or your phone. And the supplies you're going to need: a quality Japanese Waterstone, something like our Kitayama, a Sharpening, the Nano Waterstone, preferably something between 2,000 and 4,000 grit. My favorite red Sharpie with a chisel tip. I might let you get by with something else, but that one will really make a difference in your sharpening. You want to have some quality shear blades that are good enough quality that you can tell if you're doing the rideline right. You don't even need the whole shear, but if you've got some good blades, you need to have at least 2, more if you can find them. And these would be the Japanese style convex that actually have a rideline to them. I'm not going to be watching you flatten your Waterstone, but I'm going to have you explain to me how you do it, and we'll talk about how to flatten your Waterstone. Optional items is a Megowan stone. Of course, you're going to need something to wet your stone with, so a water bottle with some water in it, microfiber cloths handy, you know, those type of things. Some kind of stand for your Waterstone or something to set it on. You know, just your typical things. But we're going to exclusively concentrate on ridelines. And the class will last 2 hours, which will be me demonstrating, but also the rest of the class and me watching you do the ridelines to make sure that you're doing them correctly. And then we're going to be sending out some videos to watch before the class, and we'll be sending you some digital information about ridelines before the class. If you need to purchase any of these supplies before class, we have them on our website, or you can contact us. And I think it's going to be, I'm really excited about this class. This may be the wave of the future so that we can have these group classes. And typically in the past I called them tune-up clinics, because these are not designed really to show you as a beginning sharpener. These are more to kind of tweak what you're doing as a sharpener and help you. So some of you who have been sharpening for a while and just want to kind of fine-tune your sharpening, this is a great class for you. Those are who are beginners and may have learned from someone else and would like to know how I teach. This would be a class for you as well. Now hurry if you want to register, because we're limiting the class. This one starts the January the 11th. I'll be announcing additional classes, and I look forward to seeing you in the class. It'll be just like we're right there together in the same room.